Hello friends, today I am going to talk about next histology slides, that is simple columnar epithelium. Before I have already discussed about simple squamous epithelium and simple cuboidal epithelium. You can check it out in my channel. Okay. Today we'll see simple columnar epithelium. Okay guys, simple means I have told you already, it is a single layer of cells. Okay, then columnar means it is like taller shape cells. It is taller, much more taller. Its length is greater than width. Okay, I'll let you know how you can make a simple columnar epithelium. If you think this is a basement membrane, okay guys, one second. Let's see. If this is the basement membrane, you can make the cells like tall and columnar. Okay, like this. You can follow me, or you can make a note of it. You can follow me now. See how to draw a columnar cells. Here see the length. This is the length. This is the width or breadth. The length always greater. Okay, and you should remember the nucleus are elongated and in the lower part of the cells. The nucleus is elongated and present at the lower part of the cells. See, this is how you can make the nucleus. This nucleus is not present at the middle. Okay, lower part of the cells and elongated. See how the nucleus are placed. All the nucleus are placed at the same level only. Okay, and they are not at all present at the middle. They are present at the lower part, means towards the base. Okay, the nucleus is not flat, the nucleus is not round, the nucleus is elongated only. Okay, this is correct. Flat nucleus present in simple squamous epithelium, I have told you already. Round nucleus is present in cuboidal epithelium, I have told you already. And elongated nucleus present in where? Elongated nucleus present in simple columnar epithelium. Okay, let's see. I will show you the histology slides. This is how, one second. See, this is how you can make a cell. You can make in the histology slides. Okay, see, one second. See, these are the cells. See how columnar cells are drawn. Elongated, length is more than width. The nucleus, all nucleus are present near the base. These are not present at the center. Okay, this you should remember. I am again draws. These are present towards the base. They are not present like this. This is wrong, this is true. Okay, this and this, if these two cells, this nucleus is like this, not like this. Okay, this is true, this is wrong. You should remember these two things very clearly. It will help you to draw a simple columnar epithelium. Okay friends, thank you. If you like this video, you can make, or you can hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you.